Hello and welcome back to GWPS How To. Today we're going to be learning how to convert fractions into percentages. Here are our how-to hints. The first hint is to convert the denominator into 100. The second one is to make sure that the numerator is the answer to the percentage. And the third hint is to check your answer. Remember, that's the most important. Let's do example 1. We're going to be converting 1/20th into a percentage. So, first hint, as you can remember, was to convert your denominator into 100. How did I do it? Well, I know that 20 times 5 equals 100. So that's our denominator. And remember, whatever you do to the bottom, you have to do the top. So 1 times 5 equals 5, which gives us the answer of 5/100ths. But remember, we still need to convert it into a percentage. So it is 5/100ths, and we know that a percentage always has to be out of 100, which makes our answer 5%. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Okay, time for example 2. This time we're going to be doing 2/10ths and converting that into a percentage. So remember, you've got to convert the 10 into 100. And I've already done that for you. How did I get there? Well, I know that 10 times 10 equals 100, so I write that down there. Remember, whatever you do to the bottom, you have to do to the top. So 2 times 10 equals 20, so it's 20 out of 100, which means that our percentage would be 20%. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Now let's do example 3. Kerry has a brand new packet of crayons. There are 10 crayons in the packet. Kerry uses 6/12ths of the crayons to decorate the front of her project folder. How many is this? We're going to try converting this to percentages as well. Then, Kevin borrows 1/5 of the crayons to colour his project front cover. How many is this? Kerry and Kevin did not use any of the same colour. What fraction of the crayons from the packet have not been used at all? Let's have a go at trying this. Okay, so first we need to find 6/12ths of 10. We know that 6/12ths is equivalent to a half. So we know that a half of 10 is 5. So we've answered our question. How many is this? It's 5. Okay, here's a challenge. Can we convert that to percentages? Yes. What is a half as a percentage? Have a think. Okay, a half as a percentage is 50%. Now let's do the second part of the question. Kevin borrows 1/5 of the crayons to colour his project front cover. So we need to find 1/5 of 10. Okay, so we know that 1/5 of 10 is 2, because we have to do 10 divided by 5, which gives us the answer of 2. Let's try and convert 2 into a percentage. So 2 is the equivalent to 20/100ths, which means our percentage would be 20%. On to the last part now. If Kerry and Kevin do not use any of the same colours, what fraction from the packet have not been used at all? Well, we know that Kerry has used 5 crayons and Kevin has used 2, which makes our answer 7 crayons, because 5 plus 2 is 7. Okay, but we know that they've not used any of the same colours, so there must be some left over. 5 plus 2 is 7, and 10 take away 7 is 3, which makes our answer 3. Now let's go over that. There are 10 crayons in the packet and Kerry uses 6/12ths. We know that 6/12ths is equivalent to a half. So half of 10 is 5. That question is correct. We've also converted it to 50%, which is correct. Okay, Kevin borrowed 1/5 of the crayons and we said that this was 2 crayons. Why? Because we did 10 divided by 5, which gave us the answer of 2. So that meant 2 out of 10 crayons was used. So 20 out of 10 would have been used so 20 hundredths would have been used as well, which made our percentage 20%. Then we moved on to the last question. They did not use any of the same colours, so what fraction haven't been used at all? And we said that 3/10 of the crayons haven't been used at all, because 5 plus 2 equals 7, and 10 take away 7 is 3, so 3 out of 10 had not been used at all. Well done! Thank you for watching GWPS How To. Please follow us on Twitter or check out our website. Bye!